Okay, children, page 49, write homework, write today's date, 16/8/21, quickly. Page 49 is for homework. Turn the page, page 50. Page 50. The first box, that is orange in color, put a tick mark on that, that is for homework. Put a tick mark.
Ma'am, please tell me again.
Page 49, homework. Page 49, homework. Page 50, homework. The orange one for homework and the blue one for homework. Okay? The orange and the blue one for homework. Right? Then page 51, the last box, that is red in color, that is for homework. So page 49, 50 and 51, this is for homework in the book. You have to do this work in the book. Now turn to page 52. Page 52. Okay. Now, abhi tak whatever we were doing in maths, we were doing up till number 10. We have done from numbers 1 to 10, all the exercises and everything. Now we are going to study about numbers 10 to 20. Now you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1 में एक ice cream, 2 में 2. Like this, we have up till 10 ice creams. Right. Then, to write 10, we need two places. 1 जो था एक box में आ रहा था, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Up till 9, we were writing the numbers in one box. But when we were writing number 10, we were using two boxes, two squares. Tens में under ones we were writing 0 and under tens we were writing 1. So to write 10 we need two places. 0 goes in one's place and 1 is written in the place called tens place. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We were all writing this under ones. Now when we come to tens, जब हमें 10 लिखना है, so 10 में there is 0, 1 and 1, 10. When we will write 11, 11 has 1, 1 and 1, 10. 11 has 1, 1 and 1, 10. Similarly, 12 has 2, 1, 1, 10. 13, 3, 1 and 1, 10. 19 तक हम ऐसे ही लिखेंगे, and then when we reach 20, now 20 has 0 ones and 2 tens. 10 plus 10 is equal to 20. So 20 has 2 tens and 0 ones. Look at page 53. Page 53. 11 has 1, 10 and 1, 1. 12 has 1, 10 and 2 ones. Check the spelling also, children, when you are seeing this. 13 has 1, 10 and 3 ones. 14 has 1, 10 and 4 ones. 15, 1, 10, 5 ones. 16, 1, 10, 6 ones. Just see that your mic is switched off, children. 17, 1, 10, 7 ones. 8, 1, 10, 8 ones. 18, that is, sorry, not 8, 18. 19, 1 tens plus 9 ones, and 20 is 1 10 plus 10 ones is equal to 20, or 2 tens plus 0 ones. So this becomes 20. Now we have all done this. Vidushi, your mic is constantly switched on, child. Turn the page, children. Now pick up your pencil. Make a collection of 1/10s and fill in the boxes. Now one has been done for you. See, there are 14 apples. That means 10 apples का एक आपको collect बनाना है and 4 apples का एक, यानी आपको 110 अलग कर देना है, and then remaining ones जो बचे हैं you will write that in the ones box. Now Izan, Izan, I can't hear you. Your voice is mute. Loudly, फिर से बोलो.
11 tens.
11 tens.
5 ones.
11 tens and 5 ones. Where are you, beta? Izan, please pay attention.
54.
Izan, where are you? What are you doing, child? You are not paying attention. Count the number of balls, Izan.
16, 1/10.
Izan, please pay attention. Izan, you are not paying attention. You are not paying attention at all. So stop. Don't answer, Izan. I don't want the answer from you because you are not paying attention. Okay, Akshat. Please do this.
Yes, ma'am.
Do this. The ones that has green balls. That box, please do it.
Ma'am. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 16.
Okay.
1, 2,
Yes, count. टेंस, पहले इसको टेंस में डिवाइड करो. टेंस का एक बॉक्स बनाओ.
6, 7.
कितने टेंस हैं? 1 टेंस एंड हाउ मेनी 5, अक्षर?
Ma'am. 1.
And how many ones, beta?
6.
How many, beta?
5, ma'am.
Very good. 1 tens and 5 ones is equal to how much, beta? बॉक्स में क्या लिखेंगे?
Ma'am, 1, 6.
1 and 1 5 15. In the box we will write 1 5 15. Right? Okay.
Ma'am, 16. 16.
Why 16 was? Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Okay, 16 hai. Okay. Sorry, I made a mistake. It is 1 tens and 6 ones is equal to 16. Right, very good. Devansh, the next one. Count the number of buses, Devansh. Count.
1, 2,
Excuse me, ma'am.
6, 7, 8,
यही आंसर दिया था.
12, ma'am.
12.
Buses.
So how many tens in this and how many ones in this? 1 tens and
2 का 1 आएगा और 1 का 10s.
okay, 1 10 and 2 ones. That means कितना हुआ?
12.
Very good. So please write 1 10, 2 ones and 12. Izan ka sound was not clear. I could not understand, and he was not answering properly. So that is why I had to ask someone else. And please,
Ma'am,
please
मैम
stop.
सुनने में थोड़ी दिक्कत
See again, your voice
थोड़ा
is breaking.
कॉन्फिडेंट
I can't.
बच्चों की ऐसे.
फिर से बोलिए, आपकी आवाज नहीं आ रही है.
मैम वो बोल रहा था मम्मा मैंने राइट आंसर दिया, सही उसने राइट आंसर दिया था, लेकिन आपको सुनने में कुछ मिस्टेक हुई है. मैम ऐसे बोलने से कॉन्फिडेंस होता है बच्चे का.
That is what I'm
अब वो बोल रहा है
saying.
मैम
That is what I'm saying कि आवाज उसकी ब्रेक हो रही थी, मुझे नहीं सुनाई दिया.
Yes.
And he is very casual about answering. Look at the way the other children are answering. They are looking at
Ma'am,
me.
ये-
They are answering properly. And I
Ma'am,
request
इसमें
you,
बहुत-
just a second please, let me
बहुत-
complete. Let me complete, तब बोलिएगा. 1 मिनट रुकिए. I request you, if anything has to be said, let me finish speaking. If I'm talking to some other child, let that child complete and then interrupt. Right? Then please speak. In the process होता है
Ma'am, मैंने-
जी आप ही बोल लीजिए, बोलिए.
मैम सेकंड टाइम हुआ है ना उसके साथ ऐसा, तो वो बोलता कि मैं बोलूंगा नहीं, अब मैम बोलेंगी तो मैम कॉन्फिडेंस लूज होता है, इसलिए मैंने बोला.
इतनी
बाकी
कॉन्फिडेंस
इंटरप्ट करने के लिए कोई वो
See, this is not done. जैसे आप कह रही हैं ना, this is not done. If I am unable to hear the child and I am finding the child very casual, तो मुझे तो यही लग रहा है ना कि वो ध्यान नहीं दे रहा है.
मैम लेकिन उसने राइट आंसर दिया था, वो ध्यान भी दे रहा
So
था.
what do you want me to do? Should I apologize and say sorry that I did not hear him? Okay, I'm sorry I did not hear him. If that satisfies you, fine, I'm sorry I was unable to hear him. Are you satisfied now?
मैम अब आप गलत वे में ले रही हैं तो उसके लिए कोई कुछ नहीं कर सकता है.
देखिए
अब अगर आप गलत
एक्सक्यूज मी मैम, मैम ईजान की मम्मी से मैं सिर्फ इतना कहना चाहूंगी कि क्लास में जब आप पढ़ा रही होंगी तो पेरेंट्स, मदर्स, फादर्स कोई भी वहाँ पर मौजूद नहीं होगा ना, तो मैम आपका तरीका जो भी है पढ़ाने का वो हम आपके ऊपर छोड़े. क्लास में तो हम नहीं मौजूद होंगे, तो यहाँ डिफेंड नहीं करना चाहिए हमें अपने बच्चों को. और आप बिल्कुल सही हैं, अगर नहीं समझ में आ रहा है नेक्स्ट टाइम बच्चों को समझाया जाए कि जोर से बोलिए, लेकिन टीचर को ब्लेम करना इज नॉट राइट. क्लास इंटरप्ट हो रही है मैम, तो आफ्टर क्लास आपसे डिस्कस कर रही है बात.
मैं ब्लेम नहीं कर रही. इतना बोला कि बच्चे ने सही आंसर दिया, मैम आपको गलती हो गई सुनने में. बस उसने ये बोला तो क्या मैं मैम से बोल रही हूँ तो कुछ गलत बोल रही हूँ? आप मैम की गुड लिस्ट में आना चाह रही हैं इसलिए आप बोल रही हैं बीच में.
ऐसा कुछ
ओके, अगर नेक्स्ट टाइम मैं ऐसी गलती करता तो मैं नहीं बोलूंगी. ठीक है, ओके.
Can we please stop this? Can we please stop this? Izan's mother, can we please stop this?
बच्चे के लिए बोलिए जो भी बोल रहे हैं.
For me, all the children are equal. आपके साथ ये है कि आप बोलती रहती हैं और आप मुझे बोलने का मौका नहीं दे रही हैं. Right? For me, all the children are equal. Please understand this. And as a teacher, yes, as a teacher, I have a right to get angry. I have a right to check this child. But for me, ये मेरा कभी मकसद नहीं होगा कि मैं किसी बच्चे का कॉन्फिडेंस ब्रेक करूं. अगर आप बच्चे को समझाती रहेंगी तो डेफिनेटली बच्चे के दिल में ये बात आएगी. आप मुझे बात नहीं खत्म करने देती हैं. Will you please stop? आप मुझे पूरा सेंटेंस कंप्लीट ही नहीं करने देती हैं. That is the problem. So let us move on to the next. Okay, Izan, answer the next one. Your mic is mute, Izan. Your mic is mute. Right. बेटा तुम्हारा माइक अभी भी म्यूट पर है. माइक पहले ऑन करो.
Ten or one.
How many ice creams are there, Izan?
Creams.
I can't see you, child. I can't hear you. हाँ, अब बोलो. Move your fingers from your mouth. बेटा.
11 ice creams.
Okay, how many tens? See, now आपसे मैं क्या कह रही हूँ? Izan is very casual. This is what I said just now. Now tell me, how many tens, Izan?
10.
And how many? 10 ones, beta?
1.
1. And how many ones?
11.
How many ones?
1.
Okay, you don't have to shout at me, child. Okay, children, this is 10 ones and, sorry, that's what I, 1 ones and 1 10. That makes it, how much is on?
11.
Okay, children, the answer is 11. Yashvardhan. Yashvardhan, beta, where are you? I saw you just now, child. Yes, beta. चलिए बताइए लास्ट वाला बेटा. काउंट द नंबर ऑफ कप्स मेड ओवर देयर बेटा. Count better.
Mom, 7.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Yes, 17. So, beta, how many tens in this? Yashwardhan? 1 10. And how many ones, beta?
मत करो छुआ।
Yes. How many sevens, beta? Oh, sorry. How many ones? I'm sorry, children. I'm making a mistake again and again today. How many ones? बेटा 110 हो गया. कितनी बची 110 के बाद? टेन के बाद कितनी बची यशवर्धन बेटा? काउंट एंड टेल मी.
Mom, 7.
वेरी गुड. सो 1 10 and 7 ones make कितना हो जाएगा? 17, right? Yes, children. Your maths class for today is over. We'll meet again